Welcome back, friends. Sveiki dragi. Welcome back to our Latvian homestead. Today I'm going to make some Rauga Pankukas, that is yeast pancakes. Now, if you're familiar with Scotch pancakes or American pancakes or pikelets or drop scones, they're very similar to that, only I didn't put any fat in it, and of course the change is rather than bicarb or baking powder, we use dried active yeast. I think it makes a much tastier small pancake than using self-raising flour and other sort of raisers. So ingredients wise, flour, milk, eggs, sugar, salt and dried active yeast. Very simple. If you're familiar with pancakes, this is really easy. It just needs a bit more time and a bit more patience. But the result is well worth it. So what we need to do first is get on and activate our yeast, wait for that to become all nice and frothy, and then we'll get on and make the pancakes and then fry them. So let's get on and activate our yeast. Okay, hopefully now you can see that the yeast is nice and activated and frothy. You'll get this nice froth on the top. So we can go ahead now and add our flour and other ingredients, well, salt really, and get on and fry our Rauga Pankukas. Okay, we've finished our Rauga Pankukas. You can see really easy to make. In terms of serving suggestions, my recommendation is, simply with some jam, but obviously, you can try things like maybe some cottage cheese, some smoked salmon, caviar if you're really posh. But, here in the countryside, jam, homemade jam, of course, strawberry. I think this is a pumpkin jam and raspberry. Yeah. So you saw I put some oil in the pan. We've got quite a good non-stick pan, but the oil obviously gives flavour. If you've got a pan which is less, not quite so non-stick, then you could put some oil into the mix and blend that in. That will help it not stick in the pan. Top tip. Okay, so go and have a go, enjoy, and let me know how you get on. Let me know about some different toppings in the comments below, different things you can try, different things you do to pass the time when you're waiting for the yeast to become active. Thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up, always appreciated if you enjoy the video. If you're a subscriber, then thanks very much. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.